I know, guys, you want to speak English fluently as soon as possible. Because in today's time, speaking English is not just speaking a language. Speaking in English has become a symbol of status, symbol of success, symbol of progress, symbol of advancement. It has become everything. Wherever you go for like interviews, speaking English comes first. Your talent, your experience, your skills, whatever you are holding as a human being, however you are talented, that come later. Speaking English confidently comes first. Yes. So you want to speak English as soon as possible. And I know that's why I'm here with two such techniques that will help you, and you really don't know that how much it's gonna help you. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia and Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia and Ansari and I am from UP. So the first and foremost technique, that is Jam technique. Yes, you heard it right. Let me give you example first so that you can understand your condition very well and you can improve accordingly. Like jam technique. Now your condition is like you are stuck in a jam, in a traffic jam. All are whatever you are watching, everywhere the vehicles are there and you are stuck in the middle. But you want to reach your goal as soon as possible. Wherever you want to go, you want to reach there as soon as possible, but you are unable, you are helpless, you can't go, you can't jump the other vehicles. That's why you are stuck, feeling helpless, thinking what to do, right? As you have your appointment for interview and the time is decreasing and you are getting late. This is the condition. You are stuck in a jam. Same is the case with English. You are stuck in English. You are trying lots of activities, but among all those activities, you are stuck. You don't know how to do, what to do, where to go, how to manage, how to speak. So to take out from this jam, you are supposed to apply this jam technique. And today this jam technique will take out you from your traffic jam that has stuck in your mind, that what to do, right? So first, what you have to do for this for coming out from this jam, you need a green light, and this green light I'm gonna give you. Jam means just a minute, just a minute. The technique, the name jam signifies just a minute, right? Now what you have to do here in this technique, you have to speak just a minute. You have to speak just a minute. Have a record of time and start speaking without thinking, without thinking much about your grammatical mistakes, irrespective of your grammatical mistakes, irrespective of your broken English, irrespective of your time, irrespective of your vocabulary, irrespective of grammar, irrespective of everything. It means just speak about everything. Don't think about anything. Just stand, set the timer for 1 minute and start speaking. I'm not asking you here to speak advanced level. If you know, if you don't know anything, start introducing yourself. My name is Sonia Ansari. I live in Saranpur. My father name is this. My mother's name is this. I have two siblings. I have three siblings. I have one brother. I have two sisters. I live in this area. I live in this city. Speak like this. If you can't speak advanced English, speak like this. If you are unable to describe the things, start speaking whatever is coming in your mind. Obviously, you will make mistakes. It can never be possible that you will start and you won't make mistake. Making mistakes is an essential part of speaking. Making mistake is an essential part of life. Without mistake, a person can never sustain. A person can't survive without making mistakes, because mistakes are the proof that we are working. So stop thinking any other thing. If you are not able to speak like any other thing, start speaking about your mobile. I have a mobile. This is black in color, and this the company of this mobile is Samsung. I use this mobile in my free time. I watch videos, I listen videos, I enjoy my free time. I love my mobile. I can live without anything, but today I can't live without my mobile. Speak simple things. Start describing simple things. For example, this is a pencil. I have a pencil. The color of this pencil are gray and black. This pencil is of two colors. One is black and the another one is two. And I use this pencil. I write with this pencil. I love this pencil because whenever I write something wrong, I can erase. And this is of Apsara. This is a Apsara pencil. And what is written here in this on this pencil? Apsara Platinum Extra Dark for good handwriting. If you are unable to speak such sentences, then start with reading. Read for 1 week, then start speaking like this. There is always ideas. We can start wherever we are, with whatever we have. The knowledge, it doesn't mean, speaking doesn't require your knowledge, your skill, your talent, nothing. Speaking requires your courage, your passion, your consistency. If you have these things, because these things are not like talent, not like knowledge you don't have, they are depending on your mind. Speak, start describing your room, start describing the things, whatever your eyes are watching, just for 1 minute. And standardize your speaking. Once you are able to speak 1 minute for simple things like about your daily routine, about yourself, about describing the things, then start increasing the time. But you have to start with 1 minute. You will fumble, I know. You will make mistake, I know. You will get hesitate, I know. You will not be confident, I know. You will be nervous, I know. But you have to speak with all these things. Just have one thing in your mind: I have to speak, I have to speak, I have to speak, and I will speak, I will speak, I will speak. Then you will definitely speak. Right? Now the next technique is think simple sentences. Speak simple sentences. Start from simple sentences. You know, most of the learners, what they do, they make one mistake. When they are passionate about speaking, they start speaking advanced English. They start writing in advanced vocabulary. They start reading newspaper. And this becomes the biggest mistakes of their spoken journey. Because in the beginning, at the initial stage, we can never be advanced. Advance comes after basic. A seed becomes comes out of the earth, out of the mud, then it grows smaller, then large, then larger, then largest. Process. So what? Why do you take English in a different way? English is also like something is beginning, then growing, then becoming mature. First, you have a child takes birth. The size of the child is small. Then he grows. Then he become mature, longer than the longest of his height. So start from the basic. Without starting from the basic, if you will jump, for example, you want to go upstairs and there are 20 stairs to reach the first floor. What would happen? You will have to take first, second, third, first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. You will reach after crossing these steps one by one. Just let me ask you one thing. Can you take 20th step just in the beginning? Can't be possible. So start with basic. Once you become smarter in basic, advanced will be automatic. Advanced level will be natural. It will definitely be after basic. For example, there is no need to say I'm exhausted. Simply say I'm tired. Don't say don't say I'll exhibit. Simply say I'll show. Don't say the food is delicious. Simply say it's tasty. Why are you stuck in advanced level? Become smart in basic level, then you will become advanced automatically. A child takes admission in pre-nursery or nursery, then he goes to class 12. There is a process. The biggest mistake what you do, you want to reach advanced level as soon as possible. Why such hurry? Why you are in such a hurry that you want to reach the level? First cross first level, then the next level. Speak simple. Don't say I'm elated, say I'm happy. Right? Don't say don't say massive result. Say big result. Don't say enormous, say large. Simple English will also be English. Simple English doesn't mean that simple English is not English. Simple English remains English. If you want to reach advanced level, first you have to cross basic level. So these were the two techniques. First, jam technique. Take out yourself from the jam of English. Take out smoothly, applying 2-3 methods which are useful to you, but with consistency. Apply 1 or 2, 3 to 4 method consistently. Then you will be able to work to speak automatically. If you are applying lots of the activities, but on Monday you will apply all the activities, on Tuesday they will be decreased, they will come to half of the activities, then on Tuesday more they will decrease more, then till Friday all will disappear. Don't do this. Try 3 to 4 techniques only, but with consistency. This consistency will definitely be fruitful. It will give result. It will give massive result. It will give extraordinary result. But consistency. These apply these 2 techniques. Start from simple sentences and then jam technique. Use simple words, simple sentences, simple English. Speak simple English for 1 minute. Start doing this thing for just 7 days. You know why I always say just 7 days? 7 days, because if you do something for 7 days consistently, the result is automatic, right? So this was all about today, all about the techniques which will help you to be fluent. And if you are the beginner, then you will be able to speak with confidence, right? So without wasting the time, now the video is getting more than 16 minutes. Yes, now I have to wrap up this. Why I always say, because I always shoot one short video. I don't take retakes, because this way I am improving. And I always say this thing at last, in the end of the video, just because to make you analyze that, make you realize that if I am fumbling, if I am getting hesitate, if I'm forgetting something, it means that I am recording one short video. Because lots of the videos, lots of the YouTubers, what they do, they record 1 minute, then take retake, then 2 minutes, then take retake, then 3 minutes, then. But I'm here in front of you for last 17 minutes. It means that I am improving, and I want you to improve this way as I am improving, right? Record yourself. It is such a wonderful technique, right? So with before ending the video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe, because I want your support, right? And do share my video so that any other one can also get benefits of it, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.